Use this meditation to make anyone you desire beg to marry you. This meditation is crafted to align your subconscious mind with the reality where you are in a loving, romantic relationship with your person. Dive deep into this transformative experience and watch your desires manifest effortlessly. Now let's begin. They are head over heels in love with me. They can't get enough of me. They want to spend the rest of their life with me and only me. I haunt their dreams. I haunt their mind. They can't get me off of their mind. They are fully, unconditionally in love with me. They are obsessed with me. They can't function without me. They want to make me happy. They are begging me for marriage. They have already been looking at rings. They want to be with me because I deserve the best. They are obsessed with thinking of ways to make me happy. They introduce me to all their family and friends. They show me off because they are proud to have me. They are lucky to even know me. They are grateful for my attention. They are grateful for my existence. They have never been happier since the day I walked into their life. They have been thanking God because of me. They see that I deserve fulfillment in every area of my life. They are thinking about how to make me happy right now. They cannot escape me, and they don't want to. They are overjoyed by my existence. They feel like a love spell has kicked in, and they are happy about it. They are ecstatic about me. All they do is talk about me. They will never go anywhere. They are excited to be with me. They are fulfilled by me. They need me in their life. I am their perfect partner. They are obsessed and in love with me. They give me lots of attention. They care deeply for me. They are loyal to me. They are faithful to me. They make me feel special. They make me feel happy. They are strongly committed to me. They make sacrifices for me. I have a special place in their heart. They always call me and text me on time. They give me all of their attention every day. They want to marry me. They are crazy in love with me. They listen to me. They respect me. They trust me. They want to get married right now. They love me more than I love them. They want me and only me. They stay loyal to me forever. They stay faithful to me forever, no matter what. Every day feels like Valentine's with them. They are ready and eager to marry me now. Our relationship is filled with love and devotion. They deeply desire to build a future with me. We are perfectly aligned for a beautiful marriage. I feel their unwavering commitment to me. I am their ideal life partner. We now have a happy, fulfilling marriage. We are committed to a harmonious and loving, lifelong marriage. It is already done. Type, "They want to get married to me" right now to affirm. If you would like to get your desired person back as soon as possible, let me help you by manifesting them for you. You can sign up for me to manifest for you today at joybyjanell.com or by clicking the link in the description box below. Thousands of my clients' lives have already been changed with my manifestations. Subscribe for more content like this. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you in the next meditation.